Let's see if that bed food
Alright
goes.
guys, this is an automatic car wash. Look at this.
So it has sprayed with some water.
Oh, look.
There's some water coming out of it.
The shampoo.
Look.
The shampoo.
Yeah, car shampooed. Look at this.
Whoa, really look on top.
I know.
Wow. It's all covered.
And look our
It's
cars.
gonna wash on top. Look at that, all the dirt.
Look at this. Beautiful.
Whoa.
Beautiful.
Look, it looks like it's disintegrating.
Not disintegrating, disintegrating. Is there water in the thing? That's not very nice. Tastes right.
This is scary.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at this side.
Feel the window, it's nice and cold. Why is it doing that? I'm scared.
Isn't that gonna whack my glasses?